Guys, welcome to the DeFi Pro Trader Forex Training, the ultimate Forex trading training. And you know why training? Because this is a training meant to set you up as a real Forex trader, as a profitable Forex trader. Yes, there have been a lot of nonsense out there. I had problems to trying to get a quality Forex training, as in Forex training during my time back then as a beginner. But I have tough times spotting this quality training because of as you all know, the nonsense out there. But then it took me a lot. I spent a lot of money and a lot of time. It cost me a lot. But then in the long run, I decided to make this journey easier for traders so that you can be able to get access to quality forex education without having to go through the same difficulties I had during my own time. And then this is a training that will help you see forex trading as a business. So if you're expecting the normal things you see out there, which for the most part, if you have been true to yourself, doesn't get you anywhere. Stats have shown that 90 to 95% of forex traders are not successful in this game. And why is this so? You discover that if these things are really what forex trading is all about, then a lot of people would have been successful. The numbers are quite high. For 90 to 95% of traders not being successful, that means that close somewhere around only 5 to 10% of traders are actually making it in this game. So it raises a lot of concern, and I'm not surprised to tell you the fact, because I told you, I went through the same struggles, and I actually realized it was with time that I actually realized that look, this was actually what the game needed. This was actually what the game was all about. After I had lost a lot of money and wasted a lot of time. So then with experience and time, I had to come up with what I call the ultimate course. The ultimate course that will actually help you see Forex for what it is and not what the society thinks it is. What you see on Instagram or what you see on YouTube, all these things, please guys, you need to get the game right. You need to understand how the game works, guys. That's the core of every business. You won't wake up today and try to be a surgeon. You won't wake up today and try to be a medical doctor just by reading a few, let me say, a few medical books, or maybe going to a few couple seminars or that. You have to go through the proper training, go through college, get a certificate, go through the proper training, but learn how to do it in practice so that when you go into the field, you don't mess yourself up. It's the same way here, because this is a business. Understand? So if you don't treat this as your office, as your business, understand? If you treat it bad, the same way people treat their business bad, it's gonna fold. It's gonna you're gonna have problems. So guys, this is what this training is. This is a no nonsense forex training, guys. So please, if you were part of understand, if you're caught in all that, I'm sorry, but the good news is if you're gonna be in this training, or if you're in this training, then you're at the right place. And you're gonna see first. I'm not going to start enumerating the new reasons, because if I go on with that, I can't even possibly finish enumerating all the benefits of this training, because you're gonna see it by yourself. And let's go through the what this training is all about. Now, what do you get in this training? You get a full pro trader course. This is it, with quizzes and assessments. Yes, you get the full course with quizzes and assessment. A complete course. This is the most complete course you can ever get around in forex today. I'm telling you, like I said, you are going to see these things for yourself. So it has the curriculum which I have gathered. I have gathered all the topics, all the curriculum. I have made the curriculum you need, what you need to be a profitable price action forex trader. That is what is in this course. Complete. I'm not exaggerating anything here, guys. If you can be able to give yourself that chance, because you're not giving me the chance. I have been training people before now, but this is like the first time I'm going like public, like call that they're running some ads, because I want this to get to as much people as possible, because people have been approaching me. They have been approaching me to teach them how things really work, because if you watch these things and if you watch how I approach the market, you understand how you should really be trading this market. So here's the sweet part, which for me, this was what I was looking for back then: lifetime mentorship. Now this is for me why I brought you here. This, guys, the lifetime mentorship. You need a mentor here. If there's any, you need a mentor. You need all the help you can get here, guys. And for someone offering you a lifetime mentorship, I believe that's awesome, guys. I didn't have these things during my own time. Like I said, these things came from the struggle I faced. I want to give you what you need to make things easy for you in this journey. Believe me, if you want to go about it the way the other 90 to 95% have been going about it, then I don't know, just be ready for whatever you see on the way. Then if you've been in those shoes, then I need not explain what it feels like, because you already know. So I'm offering you a lifetime mentorship in addition to a complete course. This is not some say a course and that's it. You're going to be with us. You're going to be a member of the DeFi Trading Hub. You're going to be mentored for life till whenever you feel like going on your own. That's it. And then there will be a certificate issued after you complete the course. And then as a bonus, you're going to get a free premium. You're going to get our premium signals for 1 year. And this is what $200, guys. You can go to our website, our trading website, defa.c2senterprises.com. You can go to our signal page and you see our signals, the pricing for our signals, $200 for a year. So when you add all this compared to whatever you're getting this course, I don't know how much you're getting it for right now, because the price is going to change. But whatever you're getting this course, I'm pretty sure I'm worth more. So that's to show you firsthand. That should be an evidence that this is for your own good. Whether you want to take it or whether you want to leave it is for your own good. But then let me go over to the. This is what the training looks like. This is what our training looks like. This is the training proper. Then under the training you have the course. Understand? And then during your course you also get a mentorship, but I just kind of split it. So now during and after the course you have your mentorship, which is I told you guys, is a lifetime mentorship. So now even after, we're not just selling you a course and then that's it. It's actually the course and the mentorship that make up our full training. Understand? I didn't have people offering me these opportunities. Like I keep screaming, I know how it felt back then. And if you're passing on this opportunity, then I would implore you to think back, guys. Think back. So let's look at the components of our training. The course outline. This is for the course. Now, module 1, we introduced Forex. Now, we introduced Forex trading. This is the most complete introduction to Forex trading you can ever get. I can't go into details right now, but you're going to see it if you're in the training. So we analyze our trading platforms, each platform we use, the platform we use for analysis, why we're using it, our brokers, why we're using them, our platform for updates, everything. Understand? We also assess. Now here's the most important part, guys: risks and money management. Now let me offer this. Let me tell you this straight up. If you're not going, even if you're not going to be with us, look for someone that has this, guys. You need this. You need someone to teach you how to manage money out of this. This is what people are not actually teaching you. This is it. Risks and money management. People are just teaching you how to get this indicator, how to use this indicator. They're not teaching you how to manage money out of this. Understand? You need to know how to manage money out of what you're doing. That's the whole essence, to make money, right? So if someone is not teaching you how to make money out of something, then what are you doing there in the first place? So then that's why we push this to the first aspect of our training. Very, very important, guys. Very, very important. You're going to see why we hammered on this particular module, the module 3. Very, very important. The module 4, we treated support and resistance, how to trade them, how to draw them, everything you need to know about support and resistance. We treated trend lines in module 5, module 6, Fibonacci's, module 7, candlesticks. We treated all the various candlesticks, the signal candlesticks, what the nomenclature of the candlesticks, all you need to know about candlesticks and how to trade candlesticks, which is trading via simple price action. We treated the market cycle, in module 8, the market cycle, the various cycle of the market, so that you know which cycle we are currently at. I can't remember a trend that has all this curriculum. Understand? So we treated chart patterns, the different patterns of the chart. We treated fundamental analysis. We treated sentimental analysis, and then we talked about your trading psychology, which is how to generate stress signals, when you should enter and when you should exit, and then how to manage your trades, which is like a secret to how to generate your signals. Now, the other, I just remembered, I can't just enumerate all the advantage of this training, because I'm literally I'm not reading a script here. I'm just pouring my heart out, guys. Here, we train you to be the trader you want to be. Yes, here is what I mean. Don't get it wrong. There are many types, there are various ways you can be a trader. We don't want to choke you to being a particular type of trader. We take you by the hand, we show you the market, and then through what we have, through your training, what we have shown you, you're going to pick what type of trader you're going to be, and whether you want to be a scalping trader, or you want to be a day trader, or want to be a position a swing trader, or a position trader, or you want to fall under the technical analysis traders, or want to fall into the fundamental analysis traders, or want to fall into the sentimental analysis trader. We guide you step by step on how to be this. There's no kind of this is the trader you must be. We don't choke you with that. So this is a multi-purpose training, guys. This is a training that will teach you how to how to bring the market to you, how to make the market work for you, guys. Understand? And not you chasing the market here and there. Believe me, I can't say it all in this video, but just know that, guys. Know that, and you realize during this training, if you can give yourself that chance. I keep saying it, you're giving yourself that chance. You're actually going to be the one to give yourself that chance. That's it, guys. And for your homework, I want you to go and look for a training that has this as a curriculum. I know many scammers, like I keep saying this, the business of, if scam was a business, it won't go out of business, because there's always a way of these guys updating their whole algorithm or whatever, or their whole strategy. I know people are going to take this and then gonna form their own nonsense as usual, as they do. But then is the content, the quality, the difference is in the content. You understand? The quality is in the content. So whether they go and create something exactly like this, I don't care, because in each of these modules we trashed all these all these topics thoroughly. We treated them thoroughly. So we are not really afraid of someone taking this and then, because this is a carefully prepared curriculum. This is what you need for price action trading, guys. This is what you need to be a profitable price action forex trader. This is what you need. This is a curriculum. If it's a source, if you want to take it as a source, as a guideline, this is what you need, guys. And then after this, what makes it even better is after this, you get mentorship on how to really apply this in real life scenarios. How better can you get, guys? How better? So that's it, guys. If you can give yourself this chance to be a part of this, then believe me, you're gonna be grateful for life. You're gonna be grateful for life. I guarantee you that. I hope you understand the value of this training, and then you actually take value from this, guys. Obviously, I know you will. So that's it.